Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and if you are on Windows 10 version 20H2, version 21H1, or version 21H2, you are getting a cumulative update 501 KB 501 1831. This is the C week bug fixes that have arrived finally. They were released to insiders in the release preview last week, so I knew that it was soon to arrive here. And they sometimes arrive a week after the Patch Tuesday updates, but sometimes 2 weeks after, depending on the testing being done and how much test they need to do. So they are here. This does not contain any security updates. They are optional, meaning that if you don't go and check them out in the Windows Update, you will not have them installed automatically until Patch Tuesday, which will install them automatically as well as the Patch Tuesday security updates. So this fixes a lot. It's a big list of bug fixes for Windows 10. One of them that is probably the most important is a certain number of users having, at moments, black screens with nothing. And the only way to fix it at some point is from some time to just restart the computer. So this might actually be a problem if you have that. And of course, it fixes a lot of other stuff that is pretty much the same list of bug fixing than Windows 11, including that kiosk mode. If you're using kiosk mode in Windows, which is, using your PC or a tablet as a presentation or as a menu, for example, in a restaurant, so a lot of people were complaining of a 40-minute delay at startup. It would take 40 minutes for that to actually start. So this is kind of weird. So anyways, this is now fixed, along with dozens and dozens of other things that were not right. So if you have issues, you might want to try it out and install these updates and see what happens, as they are, of course, important to fix. And this means that you will, of course, have a better working computer if you want. This is, remember, the last update for 20H2 with Patch Tuesday next month. Then it's over. If you're still on 20H2, it's extremely important to move on to either 21H1 or 21H2, or you will be left without any types of updates. I still have people coming back to me saying, well, I will have security updates till 2025. No, you have to update to 21H1 or 21H2. Windows 10 is Windows as a service. You have every 18 months the obligation to move on to the next version, whatever it is. That's the way you get your updates until 2025. So this cumulative update will bring your build number from 19042, 19043, or 19044, which depending on the version you have, but the ending is the same for all, .1682, 1682. So if you got some issues, why not check it out? And if you want to wait, you can wait. It will install anyway at the same time as Patch Tuesday next month if you don't. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.